I'll tell you my way of deploying multiple Lambda functions very easily. So I have three functions, one for dev, one for production, one for staging. Yes, for different environment, we keep different Lambda functions. So the way how we deploy this easily is I keep the same code base, but put it in a different environment. So it has a different API, different database. All these are environment variables, but share the same code base. So once you have a fix, once you have to do something in the code, you just fix it. And then how we deploy the Lambda functions is that, by the way, this is a package, but it doesn't matter what it is. As long as you can run the function just by clicking the test in the Lambda, and if it runs fine, then you can use this method. So actually, most of you guys are using this already, but I guess I wrote a script to just wrap around it to make things feel more cleaner. So what it does, it creates a zip archive of the package which you're currently working on. And then once the zip archive is created by using the AWS CLI command, which actually is this. It doesn't matter which distro you use, you should have AWS CLI. So once you have that installed, then just call the Lambda AWS CLI and then create the zip. Once you create the zip, you just deploy it, and it will just return a JSON. So you parse the JSON and just show the proc status or the state, the live update status, and the update reason. I tell you that whether it's deployed or not. So that's a quick way to deploy the function. So for example, this is my dev Lambda. So let's go to deploy that. Let's say Python deploy.py. So it will ask me whether this is the function that I want to deploy. So most of the times you want to deploy to a specific function. So then this can be useful by specifying the name at the top of the file. So yes, and since you're running a bash command, it's always safer to confirm what you're running. So once it's okay, then click on continue with yes, and it will tell you the status, whether it's active, that means it's deployed. In progress, it means it's deployed. So okay, then I want to quickly deploy this to production as well. So this, I will change this, or you can also put it in a list here and then feed in all the functions that you want to deploy, add in a for loop or something. That's another way. And here you go. So I'm just deploying to my production. And wait a second, what happened here? It looks for that's strange. It's a JSON, so it means there is some issue with the response. So maybe it's actually deploying, so I have to wait for that. Let's run it again. Okay, so what is this all about? Ah, God. This production, PRODICTO, the spelling was not correct. Anyways, let's run it again. It should have informed me that. Okay, right now it's fine. So yeah, that's how you deploy for multiple functions. Most of us are using this already. Most of us use AWS CLI, but the script makes it easier to see things in a neat way. So once the zip deployment is done, you just remove the zip from the current directory. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and this saves me a lot of time, so I just wanted to share this if this helps. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.